म्हणजे सगळ्यांना दिसेल ते.
हायली रेकमेंड.
कारण आपण शूट करतो तेव्हा व्हर्टिकल हॉरिझॉन्टल असं दोन्ही असतं.
बरोबर. एक व्हिडिओ दाखवतो तुम्हाला. आता त्या प्राजक्ता पेंढारकर आहेत, माझ्या पहिल्या बॅच मध्ये आल्या होत्या त्या. ऐकू येत आहे ना?
हो, ऐकू येत आहे.
हा, पहिल्या बॅच मध्ये आल्या होत्या. त्यांनी अभिप्राय पाठवला, त्यांनी व्हर्टिकल पाठवला, बाकीच्या लोकांनी हॉरिझॉन्टल पाठवला. आता द ओनली वे टू डू इट इज द वे यू आर डन इट नाव, की तो एक्सपांड करायचा आणि तेवढा त्या आडव्यामध्ये दिसेल तेवढा दिसतो. दॅट इज द ओनली वे टू डू इट. पण आता समजा तुम्ही मला अभिप्राय पाठवला आणि इट इज व्हर्टिकल, आणि मला तुम्हाला असं, म्हणजे तुम्हाला जर का मी व्हर्टिकल असताना 9:16 16:9 केलं, तुमचा एवढाच भाग दिसेल. बरोबर ना? एवढाच भाग दिसेल ना. जर का तुमचा चेहरा एवढाच दिसेल मला, किंवा तो फार मोठा दिसेल.
करेक्ट. बाकीचं दिसणार नाही.
दिसणार नाही.
माझ्या पहिल्या पाठवलेल्या व्हिडिओत आहे
तो जो तुमचा झालाय, तो पहिला जो व्हिडिओ तुमचा व्हर्टिकल शूट केला होता त्याच्यामध्ये अख्खा रिमोट दिसतोय, आणि तुम्ही नंतर जो पाठवला त्याच्यामध्ये तो अर्धाच दिसतोय. म्हणजे तुम्ही ते ऍडजस्ट केलाय की हात आणि बॅटरी दिसेल एवढं ऍडजस्ट केलाय. तेच करायला लागतं. पण समजा अशी वेळ आली तर काय करतायत, तर मी तुम्हाला एक व्हिडिओ शेअर करतोय, दाखवतोय. मंदार नमस्कार. गुड इव्हनिंग मंदार. ओके, एक टॅब मी शेअर करतोय, त्याचं मी काय केलं दाखवतो तुम्हाला. त्याला ट्रिक काय केली, म्हणजे त्या पेंढारकर बाईंनी, मी आता तुम्हाला त्या पेंढारकरांचा व्हिडिओ नाही पाठवला, तुम्ही कदाचित आधी बघितला असेल, पण प्राजक्ता पेंढारकर म्हणून आहेत, त्यांनी अभिप्राय दिला होता, तो दाखवतो तुम्हाला.
बघितला मी.
नाही, पण मी तो तुम्ही बनवलेला बघितलाय. आता हा बघा कसा दिसतो.
हा बघितला मी.
पासून शेवटपर्यंत अत्यंत उत्तम असं मार्गदर्शन सरांनी केलं.
बरोबर. हा आता मी काय केलंय, हे जे दिसतंय ना तुम्हाला इथे कॅमेराचं, म्हणजे प्रोजेक्टर दिसतोय ना, त्या प्रोजेक्टरची एक वेगळी फिल्म घेतली. प्रोजेक्टरची मी एक वेगळी फिल्म घेतली, ती आणि ती एकत्र केली, आणि तो प्रोजेक्टर इथे चालत होता, आणि प्राजक्ता पेंढारकरांचं उजवीकडे घेतलं, त्याला थोडासा इफेक्ट टाकला. म्हणजे आय ब्लड द बाउंड्रीज ऑफ दॅट व्हिडिओ अँड आय यूज द बाउंड्रीज, आणि मग इट लुक लाईक इट इज बिंग प्रोजेक्टेड ऑन सम स्क्रीन. पण आता काय करायला लागतं,
हे आम्हाला एक्सपोर्ट होण्यासाठी अजून वर्ष जाईल.
नाही, इट इज ऍक्च्युअली यू कांट हेल्प इट. इफ यू सेंड अ वर्टिकल व्हिडिओ अँड यू कांट शो पार्ट इन दॅट, सो लाईक आय सेड, इफ यू सेंड मी युअर व्हिडिओ, तुम्ही तुमचा मी फक्त असा एवढासा भाग दाखवू शकत नाही. मला तुम्हाला अख्खं दाखवायला पाहिजे, म्हणजे माझ्या बाजूला ब्लॅक असणार, द एरिया अराउंड इट इज गोइंग टू बी ब्लॅक, सो टू फिल इट विथ समथिंग. सो आयदर आय फिल इट विथ टेक्स्ट, बरोबर, आय कॅन पुट सम टेक्स्ट देअर, or I put some other picture there, or put some video there, and I use half the screen for your video and half the screen for something else. हाच इलाज असतो. There is no other way out.
एल्स आपण अख्खा शूट व्हर्टिकल करायचा किंवा अख्खा हॉरिझॉन्टल करायचा.
Ideally,
you use 16:9 किंवा 9:16.
Yeah, so you have to plan your shoot. You have to plan your shoot in advance. काय करायचं नुकती, पण
म्हणजे मी प्रयत्न केला, हे बरं झालं, कारण ते माझा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह झाला.
नाही, पण त्याच्यामध्ये पण गोची आहे. मी आज त्याच्याबद्दल बोलणार पण आहे तसं. पण बाय द वे, आय विल स्टार्ट विथ टॉकिंग अबाउट द डायलॉग तुम्ही विचारले होते. आता ऍक्च्युअल डायलॉग्स मी तुम्हाला पूर्ण सांगू शकणार नाही, वेळ फार कमी आहे त्यामुळे.
वेळेअभावी.
बट द पॉइंट इज की
आणि
बोला ना.
सॉरी साहेब, बोला.
बोला ना, मी काय बोलत होता, विचारा ना.
मी असं म्हणत होतो की जे तुम्ही एकदा रेफरन्स केला होता काल किंवा परवा, की बिगिनिंगला टायटल टाकायची आणि एंडला टायटल टाकायची.
येस,
ते अजून फक्त तुम्हाला सांगायचं आहे.
दॅट इज नेसेसरी, बिकॉज देर हॅज टू बी एन आयडेंटिटी फॉर एनी एंटिटी. इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ फिल्म, देन द फिल्म हॅज टू हॅव एन आयडेंटिटी, अदरवाइज इट्स नो मिनिंग. म्हणजे कोणी बनवली, काय बनवली, व द कॅरेक्टर्स, किंवा जर का पूर्ण क्रेडिट्स वगैरे द्यायची नसतील तरी निदान त्या फिल्मला एखादा टायटल असावं. इट्स अ शॉर्ट फिल्म. सो फॉर एक्झाम्पल, सारा हॅज सेंट अ व्हेरी लवली फिल्म टू मी टुडे. आय एम गोइंग टू शो दॅट ऑल्सो टू यू. The only thing is she has done it before our class started. She has already done it before. आणि काय म्हणायचं की she is not edited in KineMaster. She edited it in
she can put it in the group na, so we'll be able to see.
Well, she sent it to me. I'm going to show it to you.
Okay.
Just 1 second. Sarah, I hope you don't mind. I'm going to show your film to everybody.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, it's all right. It's all right.
I think it's
okay.
good.
Yeah,
I think it's good. I think it's good. Yeah.
because
it's
I've
a
never
good film,
shown
so
my
why
work
not?
to
Why not
anybody, so
show
this
it?
is like a first time public opinion kind of thing. So
Acha hai. It's a good
it's all
thing.
right. Yeah, it's great. I'll at least get opinions from people.
But
You
I
may
have
not
to-
show, but we would like to see it.
Yeah, sure.
the
You
point-
see it and then give me an opinion of what you think about it.
The point is, anything that is created, Sarah, should be shared with other people. You get a lot of insights from what other people say, right? And your creation
Yeah, that's
should
what I
never
was
be
saying.
hidden.
Opinions. I'll get opinions from your side. What do you
So I'm
guys
going to
think
share
about
that
it?
film. I'm going to share that film now. Manjiri Doshi येऊन परत
Right,
कुठे
right
गेल्या?
now.
Right now, yes. Or maybe we'll wait till other people come in. We'll wait for 5 minutes. We'll wait for
Yeah,
5 minutes.
sure.
And then we'll share.
It's up to you. Yeah.
Yeah. Let Bedekar. I don't know whether Bedekar is coming today or not. Yesterday she was tied up with work. मंजिरी जोशी येऊन परत गेल्या. काय झालं माहित नाही मला. Let me see how many people have seen this. There's message. Okay, बेडेकरनी नाही बघितला अजून. She's not seen it yet. I think Diwali आई है ना, तो she must be busy with a lot of advertisement work basically. So maybe that's why. Let's at least wait till Manjiri Doshi comes in because she'd come and gone back. I don't know why. Just wait. Manjushri is not coming today. She's got some society meeting.
That your videos seen next day really helps, huh?
That's why I'm putting them up. कारण ते एका सेशन मध्ये किती शिकता येतं त्याला लिमिटेशन्स असतात. यू हॅव टू दिस इज नॉट अ थिअरी कोर्स ना, प्रॅक्टिकल कोर्स.
Correct.
सो यू रिक्वायर टू सी इट अगेन अँड अगेन अँड अगेन. There she is. She's back. नमस्कार मंजिरी जोशी. तुम्ही आलात आणि परत गेलात आणि परत आलात. काय झालं? दुसऱ्या नंबरवर आलात का?
नाही मला ऍक्च्युली माझाच व्हिडिओ दिसत नव्हता म्हणून मला कळलं नाही काय झालं.
अजून बेडेकरांचा काही पत्ता नाही आहे. काल पण नव्हत्या. आय एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू सी शी सीन द मेसेज बट शी गॉट द.
तुमच्या तबल्याच्या व्हिडिओचा आम्ही वाट बघतो आहोत.
हो मी आज पाठवणार आहे. मी ऍक्च्युली डिसेंबर मध्ये एक प्रोग्राम अरेंज केला होता. त्याची मी युट्यूबची लिंक पाठवते सगळ्यांना आज ग्रुप.
Oh yes, please. So Chaitali is in. Just admitted she'll be in.
हाच व्हिडिओ नाही, पुढे काहीतरी चांगले प्रोग्राम झाले तरी आम्हाला पाठवा. म्हणजे
हो एक्झॅक्टली.
नक्की पाठवून जाईन ना. हो
पाठवतो आम्हाला.
पाठवेन.
Okay, while we wait for Bedekar madam, I hope she'll be coming today, but she has not yet seen the message. Let's see. What I'll do is I'll send a personal message to her. Okay, personal message to Diya. So let me talk about something else before till she comes in. राणे साहेबांने एक मस्त प्रश्न विचारला आल्या पहिले सकाळी म्हणलं तुम्ही सकाळी म्हणजे रात्र झाली. But he asked me a question that if he has shot a vertical video and then he wants to make it into a horizontal video, so 9:16 to 16:9, what happens? Can we do anything? We really can't do anything except expand the video to fit the frame, right? Which also means that you're going to lose a lot of data. So for example, if you shoot like this, right? And if you are then going to turn it around, then you are going to see only this part of this particular video. You are going to see only this part. So you're going to lose the data from here and there on the top and bottom. So what to do? The only way to do is don't shoot vertical if you're not going to make it horizontal. That's the only real way to do it. But otherwise, what you can do is, okay, what I'll do is I'll show it back. Mm. I had made a small promotional video.
अगदी सुरुवातीपासून शेवटपर्यंत अत्यंत उत्तम असं मार्गदर्शन सरांनी केलं पासून शेवट
It's actually only a 5-second clip which I'm showing, but see what I've done to that, and you'll know what to do. If you've got these kind of videos, then this is the only way, probably the only way to do it. See this. And you see this, this is what I did. Because she sent a vertical video, I mixed two videos together. On one layer, this I use this, and on the other layer, I use this, and I mixed them together, played them together. So this is what I got.
अगदी सुरुवातीपासून शेवटपर्यंत अत्यंत उत्तम असं मार्गदर्शन सरांनी केलं.
See, so I used a video of a projector, right? Darkened all this area. Then, or rather, the projector was already, and this, there was something else in place of this. I superimposed her video on that, blurred the edges of the video, right? I blurred the edges of the video, and I used both together to make this video. So I can't see, suppose I use this video directly, then I might be able to show only this much part, only her eyes and lips ka part in the video. But since I didn't want to do that, I mixed two videos and showed. So you can then, if you do this, if you shoot something with vertical and then you show it in 16:9, maybe you can add text there, or roll other pictures one after the other, something like that, which are in context with what somebody is already there on the screen or what they're saying, something like that. So this is something that can't be taught. This is something that comes with the experience. But the more videos you make, the better you get at this art of filmmaking. That is a very clear thing. Now, the other thing is then what to do. Now, today we are in an age where you have to put your videos or deliver your videos to multiple platforms. So, for example, if you are making a normal Facebook post, then a 16:9 will do. But if you are putting it in the Facebook story, then you have to have 9:16. And if you've got only one video, what to do? Because if you take a horizontal video and put it to 9:16, then only the middle part is going to be seen, right? So ideally, what we do nowadays is we plan ahead. So when I know that everything is going to go on social media, I don't shoot the video with a close-up like this. I shoot it with a little long. So I keep a longish shot, maybe a longish mid shot, or maybe what you call it as the cowboy shot kind of thing, so that in the horizontal frame also I am kind of big enough. So if I have to take that frame and put it into 9:16, also I can easily cut away the remaining part, right? Unless it's a story involving several characters, then that's the way to go. If you're going solo, or if you're going to show only a part of the thing, then that part you make sure it's right bang in the center, and if it has to be fit vertically also, it fits properly. That's what we do. So there are 3, 4, 4 main different aspect ratios that you need to take care of. One is square. One is 1080 by 1080. That is 1:1 aspect ratio. That aspect ratio you can use for Instagram as well as Facebook. Then 16:9 you can use mostly on Facebook. 9:16 if you want to put your video on the story section of the Facebook, right? So Facebook or Instagram, then you need to have 9:16. So there are 3, 4, 9:16, 16:9, 1080, and 4:5. That is 1080, 1350. These are the four dimensions that you need to have for today's promotions and today's social media. Social media has changed the entire landscape altogether. Today, when we go on social media, we have to put it on stories, you have to put it on news feeds, you have to put it on Messenger, you have to put it on Instagram stories, and so many things. So you need to be able to shoot the video. Right when you shoot it, you should be aware that you're going to put it in so many platforms, and then you should shoot it that way. That's the only way to go. So pre-planning is absolutely necessary. So when you make a film, there are 3 stages of filmmaking. Can you all please come on the screen, because I'm talking to blank screen. Please come on the screen, please. Please put your video
मी जो
on.
व्हिडिओ केलाय ना त्याच्यात तो किनेमास्टरचा वॉटरमार्क अजून दिसतोय.
मी तुम्हाला
You
अजून
said
code,
ना तो
I have not given you the code yet.
कॉपी अजून
I've not given you the code yet.
You will share that.
I'm going to share that today. So let me share it right away. The old one. 1 second. Huh? Where is it gone? Just 1 moment. I'm just trying to find it because she sent me the code.
And how to use that code?
Sure. Okay. Got it. Okay, I'm giving you this. Here's the KineMaster promotional license code. Unlock KineMaster for 7 days. Each code varies for. All right, here's the code. I'm sending it on the group. Please use it only for yourself, of course. It will activate your KineMaster for exactly 7 days. Now, I have got a request to you all. So that KineMaster supports me again and they allow me to use their logo also in the promotional campaign. I request you to make some film in the next 2 days, right? Before the weekend with the KineMaster logo and send it to me. Sarah, if you can do that, right? You have made a film, but if you can make another film also, everybody, you can make one very short film, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 1 minute, whatever you want to. The stories that you had already written. Manjari Joshi तुमचा तबल्याचा जो आहे तो करता आला तुम्हाला तर. So if you can send me one film with the KineMaster logo and I send all these films to them, so they'll know that I've actually utilized it for that. Then otherwise, no, it is not. It is rather indecent of me not to send why I have utilized this code, right? Who has utilized this code? So if you can make that film and send it to me, there'll be nothing like it. It'll be great. So then they can. So what you can do is you can make the film first without using the code, right? Export it, then import it back into KineMaster after the code and use it without the watermark. You get the point?
No, but export it to where?
नाही, तुम्ही जो आपण काल एक्सपोर्ट बघितलं ना करताना आपण जे सेव्ह करतो तशी ती सेव्ह करायची, म्हणजे त्याला वॉटरमार्क येणारच ऑब्व्हियसली, ऑटोमॅटिकली वॉटरमार्क येणार त्याचा. म्हणजे आधी लायसन्स व्हर्जन अप्लाय करायच्या आधी तुम्ही ती बनवा, राईट? आणि मग तुम्ही त्याच्यावर लायसन्स करा आणि परत एक्सपोर्ट करा, मग त्याच्यावर वॉटरमार्क येणार नाही. सो हा, दोनदा एक्सपोर्ट करा. फक्त एकदा पूर्ण फिल्म बनवा विदाउट अप्लाइंग. आधी लायसन्स वापरू नका KineMaster वरती. विदाउट अप्लाइंग द लायसन्स यू मेक अ फिल्म, कम्प्लीट फिल्म, ती एक्सपोर्ट करा, म्हणजे ती वॉटरमार्क येईल. आणि मग लायसन्स अप्लाय करा की ऑटोमॅटिकली व्हेन यू एक्सपोर्ट इट बॅक देन द लायसन्स द वॉटरमार्क विल गो. आणि मला दोन्ही फिल्म पाठवा.
गॉट इट.
तसं जर का केलं तर मला त्यांना पाठवता येईल की बघा माझ्या स्टुडंट्सनी हे सगळं केलंय. ऑल माय पार्टिसिपंट्स हॅव मेड अ फिल्म विथ KineMaster आणि देर बी प्रूफ की तुमची आधी विदाउट लायसन्स आणि विथ लायसन्स दोन्ही सेम फिल्म जाईल. त्यांना पण प्रूफ मिळेल की we have actually utilized the license. All right. So if you do that, that'll be a great help for me. So I can get more support from them. What I really want to do is I want to popularize this very thing of mobile marketing, mobile filmmaking. You know, so more and more people join the course, and more people use it for several purposes. You know, it can be used for so many things, for promotions, for presentations. Students can use KineMaster to make short films for their presentations. Then even at the business level, you can use them. You can use them to promote your products. You can Mandar does a lot of things in psychology, child psychology. He can make films with that. You know, he can actually sit in front of the camera and talk about a particular aspect. 4-5 मिनिटाच्या फिल्म बनवल्या ना म्हणतात आणि त्या फेसबुकवर तू लिहितोस खूप छान, राईट? यू राईट वेल, but you can also start making 4-5 minute films which we can start putting on Facebook. That will be more effective because video attracts more attention always.
Sure.
Okay, so what I was going to talk about is I was going to talk about three things that happen in filmmaking. One is pre-production, one is production, and the last is post-production. Post-production is editing, special effects, and all these things. Production is actual shoot, म्हणजे तुम्ही शूट करताना तुम्ही जे करता ते. And pre-production is planning the shoot. So आपण storyboard तयार केला, screenplay तयार केला. Then all the planning that goes for a shoot. So if you are going to shoot tomorrow, have you planned everything? Have you planned the location? Have you planned the actors? Have you talked to the actors? Are they going to come back? If you're using somebody in the house also, are they free or not free? Right? Is there enough light? Is there not enough light? Right? Have you checked how the camera is going to move? Do you have a place to place the camera where you're planned, or you need to change the storyboard again? For example, राणे साहेबांशी बोलणं झालं होतं तेव्हा एकटा कॅमेरा पायाच्या जवळ होता आणि काल आपण बोललो तेव्हा कळलं की कॅमेरा डोक्याच्या इकडे कॅमेरा ठेवताच आला नसता, कारण जागाच नाहीये, कारण भिंतीला लागून असेल. पण जर का स्टोरीबोर्ड मध्ये तसं असेल तर मग आपल्याला मॉडिफाय करायला पाहिजे स्टोरीबोर्ड. सो ऑल दॅट प्लॅनिंग गोज इन टू प्री प्लॅनिंग, राईट? टाइम ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑल्सो यू शुड टेक केअर ऑफ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, की घरात काही काम चालू नाही ना, नेमकं त्या दिवशी काम चालू होणार नाही ना, राईट? यू हॅव टू प्लॅन दॅट. अँड देन everything that you require for your shoot should be collected in advance, and you should keep it in a way that all the props that you use. For example, Sarah had a mobile phone in her hand when she made the movie. राणे साहेबांचा मोबाईल फोनचा आताचा रिमोट होता कुठला तरी. नंतर इफ यू आर युझिंग अ मोबाईल, इज द मोबाईल वर्किंग, इज इट चार्ज, कीप इट रेडी. या सगळ्या गोष्टी प्लॅन करायच्या असतात. So you have to plan a lot before you make a film. Without planning, if you make a film, something is bound to go wrong. Something is bound to go wrong. Where you are going to shoot, is the room good? Are the walls clean? Is the table arranged properly? त्याचा पाय सुटला नाही ना, किंवा काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम नाही ना, त्याचा कव्हरच खराब नाही ना. All these things, everything, minute detail if you plan, then the production goes well and the post-production goes well. So you have to take care of a lot of things before you do. When you go into post-production, see that you have got enough memory on your mobile or your computer. Otherwise, then that will not work. So you have to empty your cards before you go into shooting. And in the post-production stage, you see that no other program is working, right? On. Otherwise, each program takes away memory, and then your mobile becomes slow. So during post-production, you have to take care of all these things. आता मी जेव्हा चालू करतो तेव्हा माझे सगळे कॉम्प्युटरचे प्रोग्राम बंद केलेले असतात. I don't have any other program on because they are going to take my RAM. If it takes my RAM, then this video conferencing will not be very good, right? RAM does affect everything. So you have to take care of all these things before you start shooting, and before when you plan everything from the first day and the first characterization to the last delivery of your product has to be planned in advance. In pre-production, you have to plan what is the delivery. So जर का तुम्हाला 3-4 वेगवेगळ्या फॉर्मॅट्स मध्ये बनवायचं असेल तर तुम्हाला तसा स्टोरी बोर्ड बनवायला पाहिजे, सो दॅट इट विल फिट ऑल द फॉर्मॅट्स. आता राणेंचं जे झालं की उभा शूट केला आणि मग आडव्यामध्ये फिट करायला लागलं, ते आधी प्लॅन केलं तर मग यू विल शूट सो दॅट द एंटायर मोबाईल फोन इज गोइंग टू फिट इन द हॉरिझॉन्टल ऑल्सो फ्रेम. मग तुम्हाला ते मॅनेज करतात. सो हॉरिझॉन्टल शूट करायचं शक्यतोवर, म्हणजे ते व्हर्टिकल मध्ये घेतात. व्हर्टिकल शूट करून हॉरिझॉन्टल घ्यायला त्रास होतो. सो आयडियली यू शुड ऑलवेज होल्ड द कॅमेरा हॉरिझॉन्टल, राईट? 19:6 करायचं जनरली. वी डोंट डू 9:16. You do the opposite. 16:9 we normally shoot, right? So these are the kind of things that you have to take care of. Okay, आता बेडेकर अजून आल्या नाही आहेत. एकदा मी परत त्यांना ट्राय करतो. If she's there, I'll try. She's coming. I'll check. She has not even seen the message yet. I think she's not going to come. All right. As a busy at what? Manju, she has already said she's not coming. Ani Chaitrali ahe. Okay, Chaitrali ahe. So Bedekar, I think, will not come today also. Probably she's busy with the work. So Sarah, can I share your film now with everybody? I'm going to share.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Sarah has sent a film she has made before she started this course. It's an excellent film she's made. It's not an entire story, just a small, probably will be, kind of half the story on, but a scene in the story. Let me share it. Oh, sorry. Sharing the wrong thing. I'm sharing the same scene. Solitary is the name of a film. Can everybody see this? Sagana dista hai na? Okay, it's a very short film, so pay attention, please.
Yeah.
Good editing and good lighting also, Sarah. I love the lighting which you have used in your film, and
Good music too.
music also very apt.
Thank you.
And you have used the sounds also very effectively, right? So you have got it in you.
Yeah.
You have got the art in you already. So I think you'll grow up to become a very good filmmaker in the future. The only problem I have with today's generation.
Thank you.
One problem which I have with today's generation, you are even younger than the generation I normally deal with. I deal with 21-year-olds. Now you are probably what, 16-year-old, 15-year-old? How old are you?
I'm 18.
You're 18, okay. So I deal with a little older kids, but my problem with today's generation, please don't mind if I say this, because it's true. Yeah, that entire generation is obsessed with suspense, ghost, and violence. I'll give you a story. I asked my students to create only an audio story. All right, just an audio. They have to use audio effects to tell an entire story, and least possible conversation with only special effects and sounds. They had to tell a story for a minute. And in that batch, there were 52 students. This was about 2 years back. There were 52 students in that batch. Out of 52 students, 51 students had some mishap, some ambulance, some horror, some suspense, some terrorist, and some bomb blast, and or somebody screaming, somebody slashing, or the police vans, or a crash. These are the kind of stories everywhere except one. And it continues. Even the next batch, most of the people love to show crime and horror and suspense. Why, Sarah? Because you can get a lot of effects in that.
I'm not really sure.
So I keep on telling my students, why don't you make a simple, light-hearted film, which is actually more difficult to make. It is very difficult to make people laugh. It is very.
I think it grabs more attention of the people. Like, when it's the suspense, people
Yeah.
tend to watch it more than, the normal happy ending things, because it's going to be a happy ending rather than like a jump scare or like, suspense or crime related. You never know what's going to come next. So I think maybe that's it.
Now you can build that kind of suspense even in comedy.
Mm-hmm.
You can build a lot of suspense in comedy, and yet make it very enjoyable, and you can make a lot of people laugh. You should see some of the older films. Have you seen Golmaal? Amol Palekar's Golmaal? If you haven't
Yeah.
seen, please, yeah, see that has got a lot of suspense also. What will happen next? You keep on wondering what's going to happen to this guy. He shaved off his beard. He shaved off his mustache. Abhi kya hoga iska? You keep on wondering what's going to happen next. What's going to happen next? What's going to happen next? So there are a lot of Chupke Chupke is another film. Then there are so many films I can name which are light-hearted yet have lot of story and a lot of suspense too. Try to make them also. I'm not saying don't make these kind of things, but try to make those kind of things also. Then you'll become a very good storyteller, right? Because
Yeah, yeah.
why I'm telling you this is it's a bit of a free advice. Don't mind, please. But why I'm telling you this is that it is. I mean, when you make these kind of films, they rely more on special effects and suddenness and shock treatment. But a good storyteller always has a plethora of stories to tell, and you should explore other possibilities also along with these kind of films. So there's nothing wrong in making a suspense film or a horror film. Absolutely nothing wrong. That's also an art, okay? And you have made it very, very well. What you have done is excellent. I loved it. I love the lighting the most actually. Sound to hai, I know sound is also excellent, but I also love the lighting that you have done. It's very, very well done. All right. But the point is key you should, I mean, since you're going into multimedia graduation, you try to explore other avenues also. Try to explore comedy, try to explore social causes, try to explore documentaries, right? Even in a documentary, you can have excellent storytelling. Documentaries don't have to be boring. They can be made very, very interesting too for the audience to watch. So please explore everything. Don't get stuck with a genre. If you get stuck with a genre, then you are stuck with it for a life when people start identifying you only with one genre, right? Then you get typecast in a particular filmmaker's role. Don't allow that to happen to you.
By the way, I think I mentioned that I had done one scene of a place I had gone to. Is it okay if I
Yeah,
share
yeah,
it
please
now?
share it.
Like I'll send it to you. I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. Is that all
You
right?
can share
So
it.
maybe you can view it now.
You can directly share it
And I
also.
did the no, no, it's all right. I think I'm not really sure what I'll
You
share.
can
So
share
I'll
it
send
in
it
the
to
group,
you.
na?
Okay, send it to me.
Yeah, I send it to you. I send it to you. It's on WhatsApp, and you can view it now. I really want people's opinions on that. That's
Well,
just one scene of like a short film I'm making. I edit it and all that stuff. So just see it.
send it to me. I'll show it to everybody.
Yeah,
No
I
problem.
did. I did.
Yeah. So while she's sending the film, please understand these things that there are different genres to explore. There are different ways to make films. So I had made one experiment. I see while she's sending that. So me काय केलं होतं? Suppose I'm telling, I was whistling. I had gone to my second home, नाणेगावच्या जवळ. I was whistling a song. आज मौसम है बड़ा, धर्मेंद्र वाला song. So I'm whistling it. And then I decided it's a very nice song. आज मौसम है बड़ा. So there's मौसम and lot of nice greenery around. So what I did was I did an experiment. I'm going to show it to you what I'm doing. So suppose I'm shooting now, right? I'm shooting. So I whistle the first line. Then I hit the pause button instead of the stop button on your mobile phone when you're shooting a video. When you're shooting a video, right? When you're shooting a video, what happens is you have got this record button, and you normally tend to press this stop. I've used the pause button, so it stopped. So I whistled the first one, I paused, then went ahead. I again recorded. I whistled the second line. Then I went ahead. I paused. I went ahead, and also by pausing the video, I shot the entire song. Right. So no editing required. I was doing random shoot, but that is also something that you can try out. So there are a lot of ways you can try out things. It's not restricted to a particular shot or particular method. You can try out a lot of things. So I just hit the pause button and I kept on whistling. Instead of, so I could have also kept on whistling and kept on moving the camera here, but then it would have caught all the movements, dirty movements when the camera goes from this place to that place to that place. It would have caught everything. So instead, I kept the camera still on one floor, paused. Then I went to the other floor, paused. Then I went to the river bed, and I showed the river, paused. Then I showed the mountains, I paused. Then there were clouds coming, I shot the clouds, I paused. And I made the entire first antara of that song. So, and it turned out very well. It turned out very nice. I'll see if I can find it now. I don't know.
Can you show it for 2 minutes?
I'll see if I can find it first. माझ्याकडे आहे की नाही माहित नाही मला. My wife is the keeper of all my videos normally. So she normally has all my videos on her computer. I keep on deleting all my videos. One minute, I have to really find it now. It's not on my mobile phone, that's definite. Sarah, have you sent it?
Yeah, I did. I
Okay.
did.
Okay, I'll download that too. I'll see if this video also is available. No, I don't think it's available. No. Okay, let me see Sarah's video first. No, my video I can't show you now. That experiment is there though.
Nonetheless, whenever you get it, send it across in the group.
I will send it across. Definitely send it across. I'm sure I've deleted it, so I'll have to find it. Meanwhile, I'll see Sarah's video. Let me see where she's at. Okay, even I've not seen it, so let's all have a premiere of this video. Okay, chalo, good. So Sarah's video's premiere starts now. No, it is M. There it is. Let's see what she's made. I'm going to try and play it full screen. Okay. Where is this place, Sarah?
This is in the National Museum of Qatar.
National Museum of Qatar. Okay, okay. Very nice. You have got a very good art of shots. Very good, very well made shots. So you're taken the feet. So what did you want to show in that, and what is the story that you're going to shoot in the afterwards? Sarah? Is my internet bad or everybody else is bad?
Yeah, my internet
Okay.
went
I
up.
can hear you.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
so tell me, Sarah, what is going to be the story? What part of the story is this?
It's basically like showing the infrastructure and the architecture of the place. And
Okay.
yeah, it's basically that. Like we are going around and looking at all the infrastructures, and there's me coming down the stairs and showing the infrastructure. And there are plenty of shots ahead. Obviously, I'm still editing. This is just one scene, like just a beginning scene. And yeah, we did a photo shoot and stuff like that, so it was nice.
Is it
We got some.
you doing it yourself or is it a part of the project? It's a part of
Yeah, I'm doing it. No, I'm doing it myself.
Okay. So do they teach these things in school? Do they teach
No,
this?
no,
No, not in school.
no.
Okay. So make that film and send it to us. Why don't you make it in on KineMaster instead of doing it on a computer?
Because it's shot on a DSLR.
Oh,
That's why.
okay. That would be difficult to do. So what are you using to make films nowadays? What software are you using?
I'm using Filmora.
Okay, Filmora. Okay.
Mm.
Fine. There's another software that you can all use that is called DaVinci. I'm going to give you the link for that also. It's called DaVinci.
There's Adobe Premiere Pro as well.
That of course is there. We have got Premiere Pro. We have got Final Cut Pro. These are all softwares, but they're expensive. I'm trying to promote shoestring budget or zero budget filmmaking, where everybody should be able to make films. So that of course I've got Premiere. I've got a license for the entire Adobe CC, right? So it has just got updated to CC 21 2 days back. So it's an update which has got. Veena Bedekar, madam, namaskar.
हो नमस्कार. सॉरी, मी
नमस्कार.
म्हटलं आज काहीतरी थोडं ऐकायला मिळेल.
नाही तुमचं आता दिवाळीचे गडबड चालू असेल सगळे ना.
हा, दिवाळीची गडबड चालू आहे आणि आता क्लायंट गेला, मी थोडं जेवून घेतलं आणि म्हटलं आता बघूया काय असेल तर.
ओके नाही आहे ना, भरपूर असतं. So today we are going to learn Audacity. जे थोडंसं दाखवणार आहे मी तुम्हाला. I hope everybody has downloaded Audacity and got it on their computer. आहे का तुमच्याकडे सगळ्यांकडे Audacity रेडी?
हो.
कौस्तुभ आहे, राणे तुमच्याकडे आहे? मंदार?
नाही, ऍक्च्युली घेऊ नाही शकले.
मंदार आहे?
आहे.
बेडेकर तुम्हाला बहुतेक वेळ झाला नसेलच 99% का झालाय डाउनलोड करायला?
नाही झालं. पण मी तुम्हाला शुअर शॉट दाखवणार आहे like थोडे दिवसात. सॅटरडे करून मी हे ऍक्च्युअली मला अपेक्षा नव्हती एवढा आता लोड वाढला.
अहो चांगलंच आहे ना, लोड धंद्यामध्ये लोड वाढलं तर चांगलंच असतं. बिझनेस मध्ये लोड वाढ. दिस थिंग सर इज समथिंग दॅट यू कॅन learn afterwards also. You can always see the videos and learn it yourself. This is not rocket science. It's actually very standard stuff. But you can always learn it later. But business you can't let go. Business आ गया तो अच्छा ही है. Nothing good, nothing bad about it. Actually very good. चैत्राली केलाय का डाउनलोड कॉम्प्युटर Audacity? Chaitrali, are you there? But yeah, should I go ahead with that today, or should I choose another day for doing that? That's what I'm asking.
Isn't today the last day of the course?
Yes.
It is.
But
right?
actually, what
are
has
we going to
happened
have
is-
another class?
No, what I've done is I've told my other 2 batches also that I'm going to teach them Audacity. I've not taught them Audacity yet. And my plan actually was to have a combined class. But since we got to this point, I decided to do it today. So let me do one thing. Let me at least show you 2 small things that can be done on Audacity, right? And then I can have another joint class also where you can all then come together and we can do it again once more. Meanwhile, you can practice it, right? So I'm going to show you Audacity a little bit now. Let me go to my screen. बाकी सगळ्यांनी बघून घ्या. ज्यांनी इन्स्टॉल केलं नाही त्यांनी बघून घ्या. ज्यांनी इन्स्टॉल केलं आहे त्यांनी Audacity चालू करा कॉम्प्युटरवर तुमच्या. प्लीज स्टार्ट Audacity ऑन युअर कॉम्प्युटर. ओके, I have kept it ready here. Let me start it. So this is my screen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close all this first and again open it so that you can see it from start. Right. So when you open Audacity, you'll probably get this screen where you can add music and you can edit music or any sound file. And what we are going to do is we are going to use this logic that we used yesterday. We are going to have a sound file and we are going to have a voice file. Both we are going to do. So file open. I'm going to open a file first, and I've got this 1970s mixed on me. एक छोटासा lecture दिलं होतं 10 मिनिटाचं. Films in 1970s. I just press the space bar to play it.
1970s was a quite important decade in Indian films.
Can you hear this?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
1970s was a quite important decade in Indian films. We had emergency from 1974 to 1975. We had a lot of discontent in the society. Before the emergency was imposed by Indira Gandhi, we also had famine situation. We had situation where food was not available, cooking gas was not available. We had to go and buy kerosene in ration shops and lot of other
We can't see the screen. The screen
You
is
can't see
not.
the screen?
70.
No, even I can't see.
You can't see the screen? Arey.
No.
No.
All right. I think
No,
maybe
not
the
visible.
sharing has stopped somewhere. No, maybe the sharing stopped somewhere. Okay. Let me just go to the application window and close everything else. Now can you see the screen? Can you see the screen now?
Now,
Yes,
now
yes.
we can see.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Before the emergency was imposed by Indira Gandhi, we had to go and buy kerosene from ration shops and Rajesh Khanna and Dharmendra, followed by Shashi Kapoor, Sanjeev Kumar. We had important films like Johnny Mera Naam by Dev Anand. We had Jeevan Mrityu starring Dharmendra, a reincarnation film. We also had films like Purab or Paschim, which showed the divide between the Western and the Indian culture. It was, of course, a patriotic film by Manoj Kumar.
okay, I'm going to take with this. This is the point where I'm going to. So I want to increase the size. This is the waveform that I see of my voice. All right, this is the waveform that I see of my voice. So I'm going to expand it. So I have to just press this lens. Can you see this now? Can you see the lens, or you can not see that? I've taken the lens which is on the top. On the top, there are six
Yes.
icons, a bunch of six icons. I just press this so I can see an enlarged view of this. I can see the timeline from very near. Then I press this. I'm going to see whether I'm on the right place.
Followed by Shashi Kapoor, Sanjeev Kumar. We had important films like Johnny Mera Naam by Dev Anand. In 1972, we had Sita or Geeta, Hema Malini Dominic. For the most path-breaking films in we also had films like Dharmendra, Sanjeev Kumar, Jitendra. One of the most path-breaking films in that year was Hare Krishna. What did you think? Anand and Sachi, Andaz.
Okay, I'm just going to cut by at random. I'm going to cut somewhere.
Also had films like Purab or Paschim, which showed
So till here, I have got the first minute of the audio. I think somebody's audio is on. Kaustubh, the audio on है. Mic on है. Please put off your mic. Kaustubh. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. All right. So this part is 1 minute. I'm going to, what I do is I just take the mouse and select. I just select that part. So it gets selected. This is the part which I'm going to use for editing. The remaining part, I'm just going to reduce the size of this and I'll go back. Remaining part, I'm going to delete right from this file. It doesn't get deleted from the original file unless I save it. So I'm not going to save this right there. I'm going to delete this part. It's suppose select Karun. I'm just going to press delete button and delete the entire thing because I want to edit only the first minute of the entire thing, right? So I'm going to delete this entire thing right up to the end. It's about 10-15 minutes long. Yeah, so I just press delete. So I get our entire thing here. So this is my file now. 1 minute of audio. Now I want to introduce music. Let us have a quick look at what I've got.
showed the divide between the Western.
There's only a small part remaining. I delete that also. Now if I expand it and see, okay. This is my entire.
What are those two tracks?
Oh, okay. They are left and right channel. Audio, in audio, there are two types of audios. One is a mono and one is a stereo, right? Stereo म्हणजे left and right channel वेगळे असतात. Mono म्हणजे सगळं एकत्र असतं. So when you are having a stereophonic sound, what is the meaning of stereophonic sound? There is a left channel and there is right channel, and you can actually author it to suit like that. म्हणजे तुमचे दोन कॅरेक्टर दोन वेगवेगळे बोलत असतील तर तुम्ही ह्याचा आवाज आणि ह्याचा आवाज ऑल्टर करू शकता. आय शो यू हाऊ इट इज डन, बट आय डोंट हॅव दॅट काइंड ऑफ ऑडिओ विथ मी राईट नाउ, बट आय कॅन ऍटलीस्ट शो यू. आय शो यू टू लेटर. आता सध्या आपण हे पुढे नेऊया आधी. सो दिस इज सो तुम्हाला पुढे सांगून ठेवतो. सो देर इज मोनो, देर इज स्टिरिओ, अँड देन वी आर लुकिंग ॲट 5.1 अँड 7.1. 5.1 आपल्या होम थिएटर सिस्टम मध्ये असतो. वी हॅव गॉट 2 स्पीकर्स इन द बिग फ्रंट, वी हॅव गॉट 2 स्पीकर्स इन द बॅक, वी हॅव गॉट अ वूफर, आणि त्या सिस्टमच्या जवळ 5 स्पीकर्स वी हॅव नॉर्मली, राईट? You can control the sound from each speaker individually, especially when you're authoring a DVD, okay, or today's digital media. You can actually control sound from each. So suppose you're watching a film with 5:1 5.1 thing, then you can actually have one person talking behind you, त्याचा आवाज मोठा बाकीचे आवाज कमी, त्याचा आवाज मोठा, बाकीचा आवाज कमी, मागून काहीतरी येत आहे स्क्रीनवरती, यू कॅन ऍक्च्युली हॅव दॅट इफेक्ट. और सपोज यू आर स्टँडिंग इन द सीन अँड देयर इज अ कार कमिंग फ्रॉम फार अँड देन झूम करून पास करून पुढे गेली, तर तुम्ही तो ऍक्च्युली ऑडिओ तसा ऑथर करू शकता की मागून कार आली, तो आवाज मागून येतो तुम्हाला. तुम्ही इथे बसलाय, तुमच्या समोर टीव्ही आहे बरोबर, आणि शॉर्ट मध्ये मागून कार आली आणि पुढे गेली, तर तुम्हाला ऍक्च्युली तो आवाज मागून जाऊन पुढे तुमच्या स्पीकर पर्यंत गेल्याचा कळतो. असं इतकं सुंदर त्याचं ऑथरिंग करता येतं. राईट, दॅट इज 5.1 व्हिडिओ. त्याचा 7.1 पण आलाय आता. त्याच्यामध्ये 7 वेगवेगळे व्हिडिओ ऑडिओज असतात. इट्स अमेझिंग. टेक्नॉलॉजी सुंदर आहे ती, आणि तो खरंच तसा करता येतो. आय हॅव डन दॅट. आय हॅव डन 5.1 व्हिडिओ वेर आय कुड ऍक्च्युली आय हॅव प्लेस्ड 4 कॅरेक्टर्स, डिफरंट कॅरेक्टर्स. मध्ये माणूस उभा आहे आणि त्याच्या चारी बाजूनी माणसं उभी आहेत. देर आर 4 पीपल स्टँडिंग ऑन 4 साइड्स ऑफ हिम, अँड आय ऑथर इट इन सच अ वे दॅट द ऑडियन्स इज इन द प्लेस ऑफ द कॅरेक्टर. कॅरेक्टर दिसत नाही स्क्रीनवरती, बट दॅट कॅरेक्टर कॅन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, लेफ्टला, राईटला आणि मागे. And actually authored it so that once that character speaks, I look at him, and this character speaks, I look at him. आणि ऍक्च्युली ऑडियन्सला असं वाटतं की मागून आवाज आला, पुढून आवाज आला, राईटवरून आवाज आला, इथून आवाज आला, मग सगळे एकदम बोलले. असं यू कॅन ऍक्च्युली ऑथर दॅट. दॅट इज अमेझिंग, अँड इट्स ऍक्च्युली नॉट व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डू इट. इट्स ऍक्च्युली व्हेरी इझी. यू जस्ट हॅव टू हॅव 4 डिफरंट मोनो फाईल्स. त्याचा मोनो, ह्याचा मोनो, ह्याचा मोनो फाईल्स, which you place and you place it in this thing. So it is similar to this what I'm showing you now. हे असं आहे, हे असं दिसतं त्याच्यामध्ये. सो तसं याच्यामध्ये स्टिरिओ मध्ये there are just 2 tracks. One is left and one is right. The top one is generally the left track and the lower one is generally the right track. Okay. So suppose you want to make this go to the left, right? You go to this left. All you do is you, हे दिसतंय तुम्हाला आता, pan center. I just use this. It goes left, so it pans left. इतका भाग लेफ्टला पॅन झाला. मग त्याचा पुढचा भाग जो आहे हा आता सेंटरला आहे. आता त्याचा पुढचा भाग जो आहे हा मी राईटला पॅन करीन. हा पूर्णपणे राईटला पॅन करणं नाही, असं सिलेक्टेड होणार नाही. मला वेगवेगळे ट्रॅक घ्यायला लागतात. इट नॉट दॅट. याच्यामध्ये तसं जमत नाहीये. हा अख्खा ट्रॅकलाच होतोय तो, त्यामुळे इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू डू इट हिअर इन दिस. सो व्हॉट आय हॅव टू डू इज आय हॅव टू रिपीट दिस ट्रॅक अगेन. सो आय कॅन ऑल्सो डू दिस. राईट क्लिक करून आय कॅन देन गो टू द ट्रॅक. ओके, लेट मी नॉट गो इन टू दॅट. दॅट्स व्हेरी, ते शिकवायला आता एवढा वेळ नाही आपल्याकडे. आय एम गोइंग टू ऍड अ न्यू ट्रॅक. ओके, आय एम गोइंग टू ऍड अ न्यू ट्रॅक. आय एम गोइंग टू ऍड अ मोनो ट्रॅक. अँड आय एम गोइंग टू देन, आता तुम्ही जर का ओपन केली फाईल, मगाशी मी जेव्हा ही फाईल ओपन केली डायरेक्ट ओपन केली, राईट. आता मला त्याच्यामध्ये एक ट्रॅक ऍड करायचं. आय कॅन्ट ओपन अ फाईल, अदर्स ओपन इट इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस ट्रॅक. सो आय एम गोइंग टू इम्पोर्ट अ ट्रॅक. आय एम गोइंग टू से फाईल, import audio, right? I have kept these files ready for you. I'm going to take this inspiring piano. I'm going to import. So it'll import a track below this track. हा आता ट्रॅक माझा एक्स्ट्रा झाला. आय एम गोइंग टू जस्ट डू गो टू ट्रॅक अँड रिमूव्ह दिस ट्रॅक. सो आय एम गोइंग टू रिमूव्ह दिस ट्रॅक. ओके, आता माझ्याकडे 2 ट्रॅक आहेत. एक माझ्या व्हॉइसचा आहे आणि एक म्युझिकचा आहे. इफ आय प्ले देम टुगेदर.
1970s was a quite important decade in Indian films.
आता माझा आवाज कमी झाला, आणि आता ह्या वेव फॉर्म वर तुम्हाला व्हेरी इझिली यू कॅन नोटिस दॅट द व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ द साऊंड ट्रॅक ऑर द म्युझिक ट्रॅक इज हायर दॅन द माय व्हॉल्यूम, विच इज व्हेरी क्लिअर, राईट. त्याच्यावर दिसतंय सरळ सरळ. आता माझा जर का मी व्हॉल्यूम ह्याच्यापेक्षा वाढवला तर थोडासा क्रॅक होऊ शकते, पण आय एम गोइंग टू इन्क्रीज द व्हॉल्यूम. सो आय सिलेक्ट दिस माय ट्रॅक. हे सगळं सिलेक्ट करतो, राईट. आय गो टू इफेक्ट. I go to amplify, okay, and I'm going to amplify it by say 4 dB, 5 dB, okay, 5 dB, and I'm going to say okay. आता तुम्ही बघा तिकडे, ते बघितलं तुम्ही, you can see that the track has become larger. आम्ही परत undo करतो. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to select the entire track, right? Then I go to effect, I go to amplify, and now I'm going to amplify a little bit more, less. So I'm going to say I'm going to amplify by 3 dB, decibels, right? dB is decibels. And I say okay. Now you can see that the tracks have increased in size. If I play it now.
We had emergency from 1970. 1974.
Now you can see that my voice is also clearer, but still the music track is definitely higher in volume. What can I do? So I can just select that part. I can select the entire track. In fact, I'll just select the entire track. So I just select from the entire track here, Asa, and I go to effect, I go to amplify, and now I'm going to use minus 5 dB. Okay. Now see the difference in the track. That's a volume kami zala. Right? You can see that. I'll undo it and I can do it. I go to effect, I go to amplify, and now I'm going to minus 7 dB. That's a volume. Now let us play and see what happens.
We had a lot of discontent.
आता व्हॉल्यूम बरा आहे जास्ती, पण आता तरी सुद्धा काय आहे, देर आर एरियाज वेअर अजूनही माझा व्हॉइस मिक्स होतोय. सो आय नीड टू रिड्यूस द व्हॉल्यूम इन सम प्लेस. व्हॉट आय एम गोइंग टू डू नाउ इज आय एम गोइंग टू सिलेक्ट दिस पार्ट, राइट, and I'm going to not this way. I'm going to cut it, edit and cut. I'm going to keep my cursor a little ahead. And I'm going to now paste it. You see this? I have now got this part separate from that. Got it? हे बघा, हा part आणि तो part separate आहे. I just cut it. Now I need to shift it. आता मी हा shift केला थोडासा. Have you got what I did? मी माझाच ऑडिओ थोडासा कट केला आणि आय हॅव शिफ्टेड. आय एम गोइंग टू कट इट वन्स मोर. इथे एक सेंटेन्स झाल्यावर मी परत कट करणार आहे.
Discontent in the society. Before the emergency was imposed by Indira Gandhi, we also had famine situation. We had the situation where food was not available, cooking gas was not available. We had to go and buy kerosene in ration shops and lot of other political going-ons. In 1970.
Okay, from here I'm going to cut again. Cut केलं, edit, cut, and then I take my cursor a little ahead and I paste it, edit, paste. So I've got one more track which is there, which I can then move. Now what I've done is I've got gaps here. In my tracks, I've got gaps. My voice comes here.
Quite important decade in Indian films.
So I've got a few seconds of blank.
We had emergency from.
So imagine that I've got a slideshow or I've got a PowerPoint going and I'm going to show some slides. So I just say 1970s was a very important decade in terms of indie films. I stop. I show there's something going on in the slide. Maybe it's a slideshow. Maybe it's a film without audio where I'm showing clips of a lot of films. Then I continue. So maybe this part is about that. So
We had emergency from.
So we had emergency. I've got Indira Gandhi's photo. I'm giving a presentation to an audience. I'm done. This is actually a live. This is a recording of a live lecture that I gave, a very short lecture that I gave on 1970s films. Okay. So what I do now is, आता मला हा जो गॅप आहे ना मधला, इथे इकडचा ऑडिओ कमी करायचा आहे, इकडचा ऑडिओ वाढवायचा आहे आणि माझा व्हॉइस आहे इथे वरती, माझा इथे व्हॉइस आहे तिथे मला म्युझिकचा ऑडिओ कमी करायचा आहे. बरोबर? I want to reduce that audio where the music starts. So it's very simple. It's exactly like we did it in KineMaster. Only there's a difference that the tools look different. So look at this. I have an envelope tool. They're also used envelope, right? So I click on the envelope tool and I am going to now click here. I introduce a keyframe here. I introduce a keyframe here. Introduce a keyframe here. Introduce a keyframe here. Then again I introduce keyframe just before my audio is about to end. After my audio ends, again when the audio is about to start, and again when the audio ends. Now I go to this place, in this place, and I just pull it down. Okay, just pull it down. I pull it down. So the audio becomes lesser there. Can you see that happening there? Can you see this happening? I can expand it and show you a little bit. काय
दिसतंय म्हणजे कळतंय.
so I'm going to reduce this थोड़ा सा और ये देखो I reduce this and I reduce this. So what is going to happen is while I'm speaking, oh, I've done exactly the opposite. So I'm sorry. I need this as full. I need this part as full. And while I'm talking, I need it less, right? So इथे कमी करायचं आहे. इथे कमी करायचं आहे आणखी आणि इथे कमी करायचं आहे. Right? इथे कमी करायचं आहे. And then again, where I've stopped talking, I need to again reduce it here, इथे आणि इथे हळूहळू वाढत जाईल when there is no voice. And again here I want to reduce it. So if you look at the entire picture again, what you'll see is this. So can you see this? So when my voice is there, when you can see my voice here, if you see the waveform, I reduce the volume. Then I gradually increase the volume when there is no voice till here. And again, I reduce the volume when the voice starts. Again, when the voice is about to end, I gradually increase the volume, keep it high. And again, I reduce when the voice is about to start. So when I play this now, see how it happens. Let's play this.
Was a quite important decade in Indian films. We had emergency from 1974 to 1975. We had a lot of discontent in the society and a lot of other political going on.
Okay, to make it more effective, I'm going to increase it further. So maybe what I can do is I can increase this little more. So it is more audible and very clearly increased. We'll know the difference then. आता difference फार जाणवत नाही ना त्याचा. I'm increasing this and I'm decreasing this a little bit more so that the difference is very clearly audible to us, noticeable. This I'm reducing. Okay. Now let us play. Oops, sorry.
The 1970s was a quite important decade in Indian films. We had emergency from 1974 to 1975.
See,
We had a lot of discontent in the state and a lot of other political going on. In 1970, the screen space was largely dominated by Rajesh Khanna and
Yes.
it is very clearly giving you a very clear this thing. You can easily do this. Now, after we finish doing this, what do we do? आता आधी मी काय करतो पहिले माझं उरलेला ट्रॅक मी डिलीट करतो. ओके, सो म्युझिक खूप लांब आहे ते. सो आय एम गोइंग टू रिड्यूस द रिमूव्ह ऑल दिस म्युझिक. You just have to select it by pulling the mouse and delete it. Now I've got the entire track. Once my entire track is ready, then all I have to do is I have to go to File menu, right? And I'm going to say Export and MP3 wave, whatever format you want. You want it as MP3, you can make it MP3 or a waveform. Let me make it as MP3. MP3 is lighter. It's a compressed format. Waveform is larger. The file can be 10 times or 20 times larger than MP3. Okay. So I'm going to call it Audacity. Audi. I'm going to just call it Audi just to identify it. ह्याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा प्रॉब्लेम ह्याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा गोष्टी आहेत बरोबर. So if you look at the quality part here, you can have 320 kbps, 170. Generally we use 170 to 200 or 145 to 145. Just the way we saw the video, we are talking in terms of Mbps there, right? Mbps is the quality that we are here. We talking in the terms of kbps. Variable speed is fast or standard. I'm using fast now. Variable speed म्हणजे काय होतं? While the audio is being played to you, if there is a very standard audio piece that is going to be played to you, it will send you less data. If there's a complicated, then it will send you more data, depending on what kind of audio. So that technology is taken care of. If it is more complicated, it will send you more data so that you will discern the difference between the sound. कळेल आपल्याला की वेगवेगळे साऊंड आहेत. पण जर का एका स्टँडर्ड व्हॉइस असणार असेल तर तो कमी डेटा पाठवतो कारण आपल्याला ते ऑडिबल नसतं जास्ती. डिफरन्सेस ऑडिबल नसतात. So you cannot discern between different sounds unless you've got a very high end system. बारीक बारीक साऊंड आपल्याला ऐकू पण येत नाहीत बरेच वेळा. जस्ट द वे you can't see certain things. So when you see a film, you are not able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 30 फ्रेम आल्या, मग 30 फ्रेम आल्या, असं आपण बघतच नाही कधी, राईट? We don't see every frame individually. We see it together as a single motion. तसंच ऑडिओ मध्ये सुद्धा there are a lot of things that are hidden from us unless we have got an extremely high-end system which will give you the minutest of sounds, right? But then that is why the variable mode is. I'm going to save this and I'm going to so all tracks will be mixed down and exported as one stereo file. I'm going okay. So इथे तुम्हाला तुमच्या बाकीच्या सगळ्या गोष्टी टाकता येतात, मेटा टॅग्स वगैरे, म्हणजे डिटेल्स, तुमचं नाव, तुमच्या ट्रॅकचं टायटल, अल्बम टायटल, ट्रॅक नंबर द्यायचा असेल तर, इयर, जॉनर वगैरे वगैरे वगैरे. I'm not going to do that at all. I'm just going to export it. It got exported because it's a very small file. It got exported immediately. Now I'm going to send it over to you on your WhatsApp. No, I have to send it as a document. There I've sent it to you. You can just download it and have a look at it. बघा कसं दिसतंय ते. It's come. मिळालं? ऐकली? You got it or not?
Yes, we got it.
Yeah, got it.
Yes, yes.
We had emergency from that.
Right. So that's how you do this kind of stuff in Audacity. You can have multiple tracks, eka khali track. For example, I have recorded my audio separately. I have recorded Manda's audio separately. Then I have recorded Chatrai's audio separately. I can keep on adding tracks and mixing them as ever. This is exactly how people mix sound in studios also. Eka khali ek track. We switch track पण असतात कधी कधी. We use a lot of tracks sometimes. We then mix them together so that it sounds together. There's a story about A.R. Rahman directing Asha Bhosle, right? If you have heard of this particular thing, there's a video of how A.R. Rahman recorded one of these songs. I think Tanha Tanha in Rangila. Tanha Tanha Jahan Jeena. ये गाना है ना? He recorded separately. So what he gave her was a metronome, just the beats, 120 beats per second. तेवढाच फक्त त्यांनी तिला पाठवला आणि चाल पाठवली. Apparently Asha Bhosle just recorded on the basis of that beat, right? And then she sent it to him and he then mixed the sound separately on his video, on his system. That's how he had recorded that song. Either that song or I don't remember, but either that song or some song from Bombay film. So he had recorded that way. You don't require to have all orchestra present in your studio for recording nowadays. If you just give them the beat and then they play it, you just send the recording over and then you can just mix all the tracks separately. There's no problem at all. The technology has enabled a lot of things today nowadays, right? Now let me see if I can show you this mono and stereo. Okay, let me try that. I'm going to delete this track. I'm going to remove both the tracks, in fact. I'm going to okay. I'm going to now open one file. I'm going to open exactly the Inspiring Piano of this file. I'll use another one now. This is again a stereo, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can mix down to mono. I've got to mix down to mono here, right? I'm going to copy this entire thing, right? I'm going to copy this entire thing, edit, copy. I'm going to insert another track, mono track, and I'm going to then place this particular track exactly here, paste it. So I've got now two mono tracks. Okay, I've got 2 mono tracks. I'm going to play this. Right. So I've got 2 different tracks playing together. Because they are both tracks, the volume is very high. I'm going to just go to amplify and I'm going to reduce the volume by -5. Otherwise, we'll be all deaf by the time we finish this session. Right. So here it is. Now, what I'm going to do is the first track, when you see tracks, the track above is always the left and the track below is always the right when you mix it. So I'm going to use this track. I'm going to select the entire track here. I'm going to select the entire track here. I'm going to move this thing to left. Then you see it is pan left. The entire track is now panning left. I hope it works here in this like this because I've never done it in Audacity, where I normally don't use Audacity. Audacity we use only when we are doing things like this. Right. So I've used this as the right and left. Now the entire thing is right and left. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the sound here. I'm going to do something called insert silence effect, and there's something called insert silence. Where is it now?
Tracks are not visible.
Oh, I'm sorry. अरे लगेच सांगायचं ना यार. Should tell me immediately. So you didn't see all that thing I did. What I did was I selected this entire track. I selected this entire track and moved this span to left. Ajayana, I kept it to left. And then I selected this entire track, and panned it to right. See, I panned it to right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert silence here. हे आहे ना, याचा मी व्हॉल्यूम कमी करणार आहे. जनरेट effect. I just say amplify and I'm going to use -50 dB. So the volume becomes 0 for that part. Then I'm going to use this part here. I'm going to use this to make it 50. Effect, amplify, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to keep this part as same, right? Now what you have got is in this part together, it is on both the tracks. Barabar? This part should play only on the right one. I don't know how effective it will be on your or through this interface. I'm going to send this file to you, of course. But if you look at this, this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to delete this part of this track. I'm going to delete it entirely. So we have got 1 minute 15 seconds of track. Let me play and see whether it's actually audible on left and right track. आलाय माझ्याकडे ऐकू येत आहे. Did you get it? Have you heard it left and right, or you're seeing, hearing everything together?
We could hear
Yes.
only in the right side.
Okay. What I'll do is I'll send this to you. You listen to it separately. I'll send it to you right away. 2 मिनिटात येईल तुमच्याकडे. So R and L. I'm going to send this R and L file to you. All right. Let me see how it looks there. So listen to it after I send it to you. ते बघा तुम्ही. Patch, attach. There it is. Coming to you, coming to you, coming to you. There it is. Just have a look at it. Please listen to it and tell me how you can hear it. And this trick is so simple, actually. आले की सांगा मला. ऐकून झाले की सांगा. आया क्या?
This is correct. You can hear right and left.
That's how you pan sound. Those two tracks are left and right tracks always, and you can pan sound. So you can actually pan sound. So you can have two people conversing on the screen. एक लेफ्टला एक राईटला आहे. म्हटल्यावर तुम्ही त्यांना ऍक्च्युली बोलायला लावू शकता आणि ते त्यांचं कॉन्व्हर्सेशन तुम्ही इन युअर ऑथरिंग मोड when you are editing the video, you can actually change even in you can't do it in KineMaster though. You can take this track here and then change it in. Then import the entire audio file into KineMaster. फक्त KineMaster मध्ये करताना एक लक्षात ठेवायचं की एंटायर ट्रॅक तसाच ठेवायचा ऑडिओसिटी मध्ये एंटायर ट्रॅक पर्यंत इम्पोर्ट करायचा. अदरवाइज यू आर गोइंग टू हॅव अ प्रॉब्लेम विथ द सिंकिंग ऑफ द साऊंड. आलं लक्षात? तुमचा एंटायर ट्रॅक एक्सपोर्ट करायचा. ओके, अँड देन यू इम्पोर्ट इट बॅक इन टू दिस. यू कॅन एडिट द ट्रॅक अँड अख्खे ट्रॅक असला पाहिजे. अदरवाइज साऊंड सिंकिंग मध्ये प्रॉब्लेम सारखं एक एक फ्रेम मूव्ह करत राहायला लागेल. सिंकिंग मध्ये प्रॉब्लेम आहे. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, anything more you want to ask me? We have finished whatever we wanted to do. Anything more you want to ask me? Please tell me.
Dialogues.
Dialogues, yes, dialogues. So, the most important thing in dialogues. Can you all please come on the screen? This is the last day and the last part of our last session. So, if you can please come on the screen for some time. Last 10 minutes we are having. Dialogues मध्ये एक महत्वाची गोष्ट. First thing is, when you write dialogues, they should not interrupt one another unless the scene demands it. Secondly, you give dialogues based on two things. One is the character and one is the actor. म्हणजे जानी म्हणणारा राजकुमारच असू शकतो. तो मंगेश करंदीकर किंवा धर्मेंद्र नाही असू शकत. त्यामुळे you have to decide on the dialogues based on the actor who is going to speak those dialogues. So if you have got a dialogue which is not suitable for that actor, you have to change the dialogue, right? So जानीवाला डायलॉग फक्त आणि फक्त तोच म्हणू शकतो, राजकुमारच म्हणू शकतो, आणखीन कोणी म्हणू शकत नाही. और कुत्ते कमीने में जरा खून पी जाऊंगा ज्या स्टाईलने धर्मेंद्र म्हणतो तो फक्त धर्मेंद्र म्हणू शकतो, आणखीन कोणी म्हणू शकत नाही. सो यू हॅव टू लुक ॲट दॅट ऑल्सो. द रिअली इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज इन टुडेज फिल्म्स. आता तुम्ही आय डोंट नो वेदर यू हॅव सीन दिस ओल्डर फिल्म्स ऑफ पोरस अँड अलेक्झांडर, सोहराब मोदी. Have you seen those films? Sohrab Modi film. Try to go online and see those films also. Sohrab Modi's film. लंबे dialogue. One dialogue could be 5 whole minutes of a dialogue, and he speaks so well. But those films are different. The dialogues could have been different. Today, if you write down the actual dialogues in Hindi films or English films also, I don't know whether they'll fit an entire page also. Very few dialogues. So. What is important in today's world in writing dialogues is that we are now very well adapted to the visual medium. We are very well adapted to the visual medium. So the audience doesn't need to be told what they are seeing. त्यांना दाखवायची गरज नाही. बघ ती छान लाल कार किती सुंदर जाते हे म्हणायची गरज नाही. त्यापेक्षा कार बघ मस्त आहे, पुढे बोल. Have a different conversation. They can see that red car is beautiful. They can see that it's the latest make of some fantastic new model or some fantastic brand. They can see it for themselves and they know that they're seeing a car. You don't have to have that in the dialogue because people are seeing. त्यामुळे राणेसाहेब डायलॉग लिहिताना हल्ली मोजके डायलॉग लिहायचे असतात जे सूचक असतात. आय थिंक राणेसाहेब नाही केले. कोण गेलं आता मीटिंग मधनं पटकन? Somebody went off. Chaitrali has gone off. Okay. Yes, she's back. So dialogue लिहिताना one is सूचक dialogue लिहायचे, मोजके dialogue लिहायचे. You have to be very careful in writing dialogue. You should not at all use words that are going to repeat what the audience is already seeing. हल्लीच्या सिनेमांमध्ये see we have already had 100 years of cinema in India today. 100 years of cinema. So people are kind of used to seeing cinema, right from the poorest of the poor to the richest of the rich. सगळ्यांनी सिनेमे बघितलेत ऑलरेडी. त्यामुळे असं नाहीये खूप कमी लोक असतील ज्यांनी सिनेमा अजिबात बघितला नाहीये. वी आर एक्सपोज टू द ऑडिओ व्हिज्युअल मीडियम. त्यामुळे आपल्याला माहिती असतं आता काय बघणार होतं. आपल्याला इनफॅक्ट बरेच वेळा स्टोरी पण कळते की आता पुढे गाणं येणार, आता पुढे गाणं डायलॉग येणार. वी ऑलरेडी नो सम थिंग्स इन द इंडियन फिल्म्स, इंग्लिश फिल्म्स ऑल्सो. सो यू हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड दॅट द ऑडियन्स नोज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. त्या अनुषंगाने डायलॉग द्यायचे. आता आता आपण रिपीट करायचं की नाही काय येत आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. सो यू डील मोर विथ व्हिज्युअल कम्युनिकेशन दॅन व्हर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, राईट? इज एक्झॅक्टली ऑपोजिट ऑन रेडिओ. On the radio, you have to describe things continuously, right? You have to keep on describing things. On video, you don't have to describe things. त्यामुळे डायलॉग लिहिताना हे महत्वाचं असतं. सेकंडली, डायलॉग लिहिताना प्रत्येक वेळेला प्रत्येकाचं नाव घ्यायची गरज नसते. यू डोंट हॅव टू से दॅट अरे मंदार काय म्हणतोस, अरे कौस्तुभ काय म्हणतो, असं प्रत्येक वेळेला बोलायची. कारण ते लिहिताना आपल्या सवय असते. वेन वी आर रायटिंग अ बुक, अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स वी गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ डायलॉग. किंवा रेडिओवरती असे डायलॉग लिहिले जातात की कारण आपल्याला दिसत नसते. 4 लोक बोलत असले तर आपल्याला लोक दिसत नसतात. त्यामुळे मी कोणाला उद्देशून बोलतोय हे मला दाखवायला लागतं ऑडिओमध्ये. Whereas in the video, you already have seen the people. You can directly have a normal conversation. You don't keep on saying Mandar and Kaustubh and Mangesh and things like that. You can directly give a dialogue. पण डायलॉग लिहिताना पहिली गोष्ट म्हणजे जे दिसतं ते परत लिहायची गरज नाही. डायलॉग मध्ये बोलायची गरज नाही कॅरेक्टरनी. सेकंडली, प्रत्येक वेळा नावं संबोध म्हणजे डायलॉग म्हणताना इतके कमी डायलॉग असतात हल्ली की मी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे अख्ख्या फिल्मचे डायलॉग मिळून 2 पानं पण होत नाही. डायलॉग ओनली डायलॉग, नॉट टॉकिंग ऑफ स्क्रीन प्ले, ओनली डायलॉग. एवढेच डायलॉग असतात. फार कमी लोक बोलतात फिल्ममध्ये. मोर एम्फासिस इज ऑन शोईंग रादर दॅन स्पीकिंग इट आउट. द थर्ड इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज you need to know who your actor is and you need to write dialogues based on that actor's capabilities. एखाद्या वीक ऍक्टरला हेवी डायलॉग दिला तर तो त्याला बोलता येत नाही. त्यामुळे तो डायलॉग देताना त्याला तेवढाच डायलॉग द्यायचा जो त्याला झेपणार आहे. और यू चेंज द ऍक्टर और यू चेंज द डायलॉग. यू कांट हेल्प इट. टुडे इन हिंदी अँड मराठी सिरियल्स ऍक्च्युली सीन काय असं सांगतो तुम्हाला. तुम्हाला किती लोकांना माहिती आहे माहित नाही. सेटवरती डायलॉग लिहिला जातो. पीपल ऍक्च्युअली राईट डायलॉग्स ऑन द सेट. तिकडे स्क्रिप्ट रायटर्स बसलेले असतात, डायलॉग रायटर्स बसलेले असतात. आणि मंदार आला नाही आज कामाला तर बरं नाही आहे. मग आता काय करायचं, बरं त्याच्या कॅरेक्टरचा डायलॉग काढून टाक, त्याच्यावर दुसरं काहीतरी टाक. किंवा यू जस्ट डोंट शूट मंदार टुडे, वी डोंट हॅव मंदार टुडे ऑन द स्क्रीन टुडे. तो त्या 2 उरलेल्या कॅरेक्टरमध्ये सगळा सीन उरकला जातो. अँड दे राईट डायलॉग्स देअर राईट ऑन द सेट. असे डायलॉग लिहिले जातात. विच इज वाय वी सी व्हेरी पुअर क्वालिटी ऑफ डायलॉग्स. आणि विच इज वाय इन टुडेज हिंदी मराठी सिरियल्स यू हॅव गॉट दिस ऑड व्हिज्युअल्स. ह्याचा चेहरा मग त्याच्या चेहरा मग चेहरा परत त्याचा चेहरा त्याचा चेहरा त्याचा. The story doesn't move ahead because we have got a poverty of ideas, unfortunately. Utter poverty of ideas. सगळेच चांगली serials are a copy of some serial abroad. Even like a program like KBC, even a program like Saregama, or even a program, all these Indian Idol, all are copies, all are utter copies. Even serials are made which are copies of foreign films. आपल्याकडे काय टॅलेंट कमी नाही आहे, पण आपले लोक सगळे नालायक आहेत. आळशी आहेत. They are actually lazy. It's not that we are lacking talent. The poverty is not in talent. The poverty is in taking efforts to make something new. कष्टच घ्यायची तयारी नसते. आणि प्रोड्युसर्स जे फायनान्सर्स असतात ते म्हणतात ती सिरियल आहे ना तसंच मला सिरियल बनवून दे. ती जी फिल्म आहे ना त्याची कॉपी करून तसेच डायलॉग पाहिजे, तसेच शॉट पाहिजे. सो इवन अन आमिर खान unfortunately has to make this fantastically horrible film called काय पायरेट्स ची फिल्म आली ती त्याची, ती काय नाव होतं त्याचं. आता ती कम्प्लिटली बॉम्ब झाली ती फिल्म. कुठली ती आमिर खानची. आमिर खान Thugs of Hindostan. Even an Amir Khan could make a film like that. Oh my God. That means he must have just earned a lot of money. He acted only because he wanted some money for something probably. Or even Dhoom 3. Dhoom 3 is an insult to audience's intelligence. काय डायलॉग आहेत. I'm sorry I have diverted from dialogues to films, but that's how it is today. त्याच्यामध्ये डायलॉग आहे का तुम्ही इतके फालतू डायलॉग आहेत. But there are some excellent films like Golmaal. I'm talking of the newer Golmaal also. Dialogues are excellent. किंवा परेश रावलचे डायलॉग दिले जातात. They are excellent. So मोजके डायलॉग and more on action and visuals. That is what makes a good film. There's a film called Postman in the Mountains. I'll just type the name. It's a Chinese film. You can catch it on YouTube. Please have a look at this. Look at the shots. Look at the angles. Look at the long, lengthy shots. And yet you don't feel bored at all. It is not always necessary to cut scenes one after the other, one after the other. एक आपण जे काल करत होतो ते तुम्हाला दाखवायला केलं. I would not do it that way. Normally I will not cut scenes so short. एवढेसे छोटे 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 cuts मला स्वतःला आवडत नाहीत. But you look at this film, they have got an entire shot where the person, म्हणजे लांब extreme long shot मध्ये person moves from one end of the screen to the other end of the screen, and they have kept the entire shot. Then it travels down a hill. They have kept the entire shot. You should have a look at that film. Beautiful, beautiful photography and beautiful story. It's called A Postman in the Mountains. Have a look at that film also. राणे साहेब ठीक आहे का?
या
हा, ओके. सो एनिथिंग एल्स? आणखीन कोणाला काय विचारायचं आहे तर प्लीज विचारा. टुडे इज द लास्ट डे. फ्री टू टास्क मी एनिथिंग यू वॉन्ट. आपण
आता डायलॉग्सच्या संदर्भात आपण बोलत होतो. when we are talking about the dialogue, but sometimes the improvisation is also makes as well, no? Like sometimes we forgot to...
If the director allows improvisation, then it's the director's. Like I told, director is the film storyteller. Once you don the director's hat, everything is in your hands. If you say no, cut, again repeat, so you have to get the actor has to repeat the dialogue, right? If it is a poor actor with poor memory, then you may have to take 100 shots of the same shot 100 times. If it's a good actor and can give expressions as well as dialogue, you can finish it in one single shot, right? But that is entirely director's call, whether to allow that improvisation or not allow the improvisation. Your call as a director. Director is the boss. Director is the main storyteller. The director says no, nothing moves on. Director says okay, fine, okay. त्यामुळे सेटवरती गेल्यावर director is the king. त्याच्या वरती खालती कोणी नसतं. इव्हन द प्रोड्युसर, आता हल्ली प्रोड्युसर पैसे देतात त्यामुळे ते कधी कधी डायरेक्टरला ऐकायला जातं. बट इफ इट्स अ गुड डायरेक्टर अँड अ पॉवरफुल डायरेक्टर, नॉट अलाउ द प्रोड्युसर ऑर द फायनान्शियर टू इंटरफेअर इन स्पेन. He is as powerful as that. It depends on you. Entirely depends on you.
In a mobile filmmaking, is it necessary to have a dialogues in our whatever short film or whatever it is? So is it necessary?
Whether it's a mobile film or
suppose
whether it's a mobile film or a feature film or a short film that you shoot on a PD-150 or maybe a Nikon or a Canon, whatever. The necessity of dialogues or not, it depends on the story. It's not about mobile filmmaking at all. The dialogues, whether they should be there, how many should be there, it all depends on the story you're trying to tell and how you're telling the story. That's all. It's not necessary to have dialogues. आता सॅराच्या फिल्म मध्ये डायलॉग कुठे होता? That he told a story, right? The first film that we saw, it did tell a story. There was not a single dialogue at all. It's not necessary to have a dialogue, right? So you can build that suspense without having a dialogue. You can build a suspense by only having a dialogue, also, right? So you can have anything. That depends on how you are telling the story. There is no rule about that. See, one thing, please remember, there are no rules. There are only norms, right? So, for example, 180-degree rule. You can't shoot somebody walking towards the camera, right? And then shift the camera behind that person. And, the person is walking in a straight line, right? So, in this thing, there's a person who is walking from here to here. Barabar, your camera is placed here, suppose. And a person is walking from here to your camera, right? Now you can't do one thing. You want to show both sides. So you shoot this person while it walks here, then you shift the camera here and allow the person to walk ahead. What will the audience see on the screen? First, the person is coming towards them, and then the person is going away from them. So what is happening is you have broken the 180-degree rule. You can't move your camera 180 degrees behind. Right? That's a rule. You can't, because it'd be horrible for the audience. Audience ला कळणारच नाही, अरे हे काय झालं? तो आता जात होता, आता यार कसा लागला? अर्ध्या. So you can't break that rule. You can't shift. So if you want to show the back, so suppose first camera is here, the person is walking, you have to move the camera here to show him walking like this. Then you move the camera and show. Then there's a continuity. म्हणजे लोकांना कळतं की इथे आला मग कॅमेराकडे गेला. You can't directly take the camera from here to there and expect the audience to understand what's happening on the screen. तर असे काही rules आहेत फोटोग्राफीमध्ये or videography. You can't break that 180-degree rule. But yet today we can see a lot of people breaking those rules, right? There are a lot of people फॉर द सेक ऑफ आर्ट और फॉर द सेक ऑफ डिफरंट काइंड ऑफ स्टोरी टेलिंग मग ते टक 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 असे रूल चेंज करतात, कॅमेराची पोझिशन चेंज करतात, रॅपिड चेंजिंग, वेगळा इफेक्ट येतो. बट यू कॅन डू इट ऑलवेज अँड दॅट डझंट ऍक्च्युअली सूट. ऑडियन्स गेट्स कन्फ्युज व्हॉट इज रिअली हॅपनिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन. म्हणजे ऑडियन्सला कन्फ्युजन कधी करायचं नाही, ऑडियन्सला स्टोरी छान पैकी कळली पाहिजे, हे महत्वाचं. That's how it is. Anything else? No? So we are finishing the course today. We are finishing the workshop today. And I wish even the other Manjushri was still there. Pedekar madam आज आल्यात बरं झालं, त्या नव्हत्याच आधीच्या याच्यामध्ये. But I'm glad you came, madam, because today is the last day and I would have loved to see everybody. Chaitrali also, will you please come on the screen? Rani sahib, ekda screen varti ya, so that we can have a final goodbye today. We'll finish. We develop for every course. This happens that over a period of 10 days that we are together. Bale 2-3 दिवस मध्ये सुट्टी असते, but we do develop a relationship, like kind of friendship with each other. So I'm always sad to end the course and wait for the next batch. But thank you all for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed the lectures and the sessions, and you have gained something out of it. So please make a film. Please make a film and send it.
Sure,
सर
sure.
आम्हाला खूप मजा आली. वी एन्जॉय लॉट. थोडा एक सेशन माझं चुकलं तर मला खूप वाईट वाटतं.
But you will have to see it. सगळं मी पोस्ट केलेलं आहे, तुम्ही बघून ते शिकू शकाल. प्लीज हॅव अ लुक ॲट इट अँड लर्न. कारण काल आपण किनेमास्टरच्या अजून काही गोष्टी बघितल्या.
तुम्ही जा आणि करा. फुल टाइमचा कोर्स असेल तर, कारण मी वेलिंगकर कडनं MBA केलं ना, त्यांना थिअरी म्हणजे फक्त ते काय जे पुस्तकामध्ये असायचं ते डिस्प्ले.
त्यांच्याकडे स्टुडिओच नाही आहे. दे डोंट हॅव अ स्टुडिओ. त्यांच्याकडे कॅमेरा आहे का नाही माहित नाही मला, सिरियसली. So Verinkers is more of a management institute than a film or practical institute. It's I don't want to badmouth anybody. It's not fair on my part, but I know that they don't have equipment for media kind of studies. त्यांच्याकडे नाहीच आहे काय, मला माहिती आहे. माझी आता एक दुसरी इंटर्न घेतली मी, तिने तो कोर्स केलाय. तिने बरंच काय काय सांगितलं मला, पण आता तिला मी काम करायला सांगितलं की तिला काही येत नसतं, कारण प्रॅक्टिकल नॉलेज 0 आहे. अंडा. So that's the fact. All right. So thank you, Pedekar madam. So Sarah, how did you like the course?
Yeah, it was great. It was fun as well.
Okay. Enjoy it,
Thank
right?
you so much. Yeah.
It was
Manjiri madam, how Sushi? आवडला? आता त्याच्या फिल्म कधी बनवायला सांगा मला.
बनवले.
लवकरात लवकर ती फिल्म बनवा, मला ती बघायची तुमची फिल्म. मंदार बुसकुटे, तुम्ही आता रोल ओव्हर झालाय तुमचा, बट आय होप आताच्या कोर्स मध्ये आवडलं पुढचं सेशन जे तुम्ही बघितले आता.
Definitely. I think more practice is the key. More
Yes,
and
practice.
more practice. Yes.
Absolutely. Rani sahib.
no, it was absolutely wonderful.
Thank you.
Learned a lot of things.
ओके. तुम्ही तर माझ्या गुरूंचे भाऊ आहात, त्यामुळे इट वॉज फॅन्टॅस्टिक. आय डोंट नो वेदर आय टोल्ड यू, ही इज ब्रदर ऑफ माय प्रोफेसर. ही वॉज माय प्रोफेसर इन कॉलेज आणि वी आर स्टील इन टच. आणि त्यांनी तो कोर्स मागच्या बॅच मध्ये केला आणि शी टोल्ड हिम अबाउट दिस कोर्स आणि इमिडिएटली जॉईन द कोर्स. सो द फर्स्ट वन हू एंटर्ड द कोर्स दिस टाइम. कौस्तुभ, यू आर ऑल्सो रोल ओव्हर फ्रॉम द अर्लियर बॅच.
येस.
आय होप यू एन्जॉयड द रिमेनिंग सेशन. या आता
नाही, ऍक्च्युली आता कसं सगळ्या गोष्टींवर आयडिया आली की म्हणजे इव्हन आईचंही ज्वेलरीचं प्रमोशन करायचंय किंवा अजून मलाही काही करायचं असेल, कम्प्लीट आयडिया आली की काय काय गोष्टी कराव्यात. आणि मोबाईलवर जर सगळं होत आहे तर बाकी एवढं आपल्याला.
And you can have excellent quality on the mobile phone. काही प्रॉब्लेम नसतो. But you do one thing, everybody, you also deconstruct some more ads. त्यांनी आणखीन शिकायला मिळेल. It's always important to learn more before you start doing it. So deconstruct more ads and more films. That will help you understand how filmmakers are using different shots, different angles, how the script is written, short breakup कसं. आपल्या स्टोरीचा शॉर्ट ब्रेकअप करताना किती वेगवेगळे शॉट घ्यायला लागतात हे तुम्हाला त्या डिकन्स्ट्रक्शन मधूनच कळतं. That is something that no other course teaches. I introduced it because काय ते
No, no, you are supposed to share, the link for tripods, etc.
I'll share it tonight. आज शेअर करतो सगळ्या लिंक्स. I'll find out the links and I'll share them tonight. सगळ्या लिंक शेअर करतो. ट्रायपॉड आणि लाईट्स या दोन गोष्टींची लिंक शेअर करतो. आणि द सेल्फी स्टिक विथ रिमोट आय शेअर ऑल द 3 टुडे. आज नक्की करतो. ओके, चैत्राली कसा वाटला कोर्स?
छान वाटला. वेगळं काहीतरी शिकायला मिळालं. आणि जे तुम्ही
Okay.
शिकवलं की शॉर्ट घेताना कसं आपण हे केलं पाहिजे, आपली ऍड जर करायची असेल तर आपण कशा प्रकारे शॉर्ट्स घेतले पाहिजे, तर ते खूप छान वाटलं.
बरोबर.
म्हणजे त्या दृष्टीने. आणि आता तुम्ही ज्या ऍड्स वगैरे टाकल्या होत्या ना, त्याच्याकडे बघण्याचा दृष्टिकोन पण बदललाय की त्याच्यातून काहीतरी
Okay.
घेता येईल. आणि म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा फक्त ऍड म्हणून बघत होतो, पण आता त्याच्यामध्ये काय वेगळे युनिक्स काय काय आयडियाज वापरल्या त्या म्हणजे दृष्टिकोन तसा बदललाय की कोणत्या कोणत्या युनिक आयडिया वापरून ते ऍड केलेली आहे.
आता मंजुश्री मॅडमचे जे कोर्सेस तुम्ही करता ना प्रोग्राम, त्याच्यामध्ये आता तुम्हाला माहिती एडिटिंग करताना काय त्रास होऊ शकतो.
हो.
बरोबर. त्यामुळे स्टील कॅमेरा ठेवून शॉट घ्यायचे, मूव्ह नाही करायचा कॅमेरा, राईट. आणि आता तुमचं एक काल फिल्म आले माझ्याकडे, वेअर यू आर हॅव्हिंग अ मल्टिप्लिकेशन बॉल, राईट. बॉल आहे तो मल्टिप्लिकेशन बॉल. आता तुम्हाला माहिती आहे पुढच्या वेळेला तुम्ही घेताना काय करायचं, फ्रंट शॉट घ्यायचा बॉल इथून तिथे जाताना, मग त्या पहिल्या बॉल टाकतात त्यांच्या मागून एक शॉट घ्यायचा, मग त्या मुलीच्या मागून एक शॉट घ्यायचा आणि मग त्या मुलीला फ्रेम मध्ये ठेवून तो बॉल तिच्या हातामध्ये घेऊन तेव्हा कॅमेरा मूव्ह नाही करायचा अजिबात. मूव्ह केला कॅमेरा की आपला शॉट खराब झाला, राईट. आता हे सगळे आता लक्षात ठेवून यू शुड नो नाउ दॅट फ्रेम मध्ये काय येतं तेच आपल्याला दिसतं. सो इफ यू मूव्ह द कॅमेरा व्हाईल यू आर शूटिंग देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू मेक अ गुड व्हिडिओ. त्यामुळे आता तुम्ही जेव्हा प्रोग्राम करता शॉट कसे घ्यायचे तुम्हाला कळलेलं आहे, बरोबर. व्हॉट हॅपन्स इज आपण जेव्हा वेन वी प्लॅन अ शूट तेव्हा आपण प्लॅन करतो, बट वेन द शूट इज अनप्लॅन्ड तेव्हा आपल्याकडे सर्वात जास्त चुका होतात, राईट. वी मेक मिस्टेक्स वेन द शूट इज अनप्लॅन्ड. So where there's activity going on, suppose there are 4 children on a table playing cards or playing something, we keep on moving the camera, then you can't use those shots because they look horrible on the screen. त्यामुळे स्टिल कॅमेरा ठेवायचा, मग एकाचा घ्यायचा, मग दुसऱ्याचा घ्यायचा, तिसऱ्याचा घ्यायचा, चौथ्याचा घ्यायचा, परत लॉंग शॉट घ्यायचा आणि परत ते खेळताना घ्यायचा. सो नाव वी नो एडिटिंग मध्ये किती त्रास होता. सो दॅट इज हाऊ यू लर्न, राईट. सो एनिवे, थँक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग मी फॉर this particular batch. Now I have got one request to you all. Will you please shoot a video of yourself talking about how you like the course, right? Will you please send me a video because I want to use it for my promotion. I'm now promoting the batch. Next batch is going to be starting on 23rd of November, right? So if you can send me the videos by tomorrow, nothing like it. थोड़ा सा वेळ काढा, 1 मिनिटाचा व्हिडिओ पाहिजे मला. Just need 1 single minute of video with you in mid shot आणि हॉरिझॉन्टल कॅमेरा. आता आपलं जे पूर्ण झालं बिकॉज आय विल नीड टू यूज इट इन मल्टिपल प्लॅटफॉर्म्स. सो प्लीज शूट अ व्हिडिओ अँड सेंड इट टू मी सो दॅट आय कॅन यूज इट फॉर माय प्रमोशन्स, राईट. आय यूज इट इन द टेस्टिमोनियल. सो म्हणजे जोशी आमच्या पार्टिसिपंट यांनी काय म्हटलं कोर्स बद्दल, सारा ठाकूर व्हॉट डिड शी से अबाउट द कोर्स, you know, so that kind of thing. And if you can send in 2 languages, nothing like it, one in English and one in Marathi. Sara, if you don't you can't do it Marathi, fine, you can do it just in English. And if you know Hindi, then you can do it in Hindi, because this time I'm going to promote it across the country and maybe across the world. So you can do it that way. मला please तुम्ही 1 मिनिटाची मला फार लांब नकोय, but please try to send me a video by tomorrow if possible. आणि मिड शॉट मध्ये पाठवा, आडवा कॅमेरा ठेवून, आणि please send it to me. Okay? Yeah, because I really have to start promotions for the next one. Thank you very much. And please,
link पुन्हा पाठवा.
Oh, and please refer the course to other your friends and your relatives and whoever might. Sarah, you can get it to all your friends.
Yeah,
to join the course.
Definitely, I'll tell them
Yeah?
about it. But then the thing is,
I
I
can
don't
have
have many Marathi friends, so that's why. They're mostly like Hindi. They speak Hindi and English, not Marathi specifically.
I can conduct the entire course in Hindi and English. And I can have a special batch only for our friends.
Okay, sure.
Okay. All right. So thank you very much for joining.
Thank you so much.
Good night.
Thank you.
Good night, everybody. Bye bye.
Good night, sir.